Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Your carrier allows tethering and you have cellular data. Once confirmed, restart the iPhone to clear transient network faults. Then go to Settings, tap Cellular, and open Personal Hotspot. Toggle it on. If prompted, set a WPA2 password. This keeps devices secure. You do this now to eliminate simple causes immediately and expose any deeper configuration issues. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios can reinitialize after the reboot. Next, you inspect network configuration. Ensure cellular data is enabled and that the carrier APN matches the plan. Mismatched APN blocks tethering. Once done, enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Personal Hotspot uses them to advertise and connect. If devices still can't join, reset network settings to erase bad profiles. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, VPN, and APN entries, forcing the phone to fetch. You finish by connecting a client device using the hotspot name and password displayed on your iPhone. Type the password carefully, then test by loading a basic web page. Monitor data usage in Settings, right arrow Cellular to ensure the connection actually transfers bytes. If performance is poor, update iOS to the latest version to fix modem firmware bugs. Troubleshooting tip: if a device can't authenticate, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on. Forget the network on the client, then reconnect. That often resolves cached credential conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.